Mga paaralan sa kolehiyo na libre ang tuition fee. So ano-ano mga ino-offer nila na kurso, ang kanilang address at telephone number kung paano sila makokontak, at ang kanilang website kung sakaling gusto nyong mag-apply. Kung balak mong mag-aral ng college, subukan mo ang mga kolehiyo na nag-o-offer ng libreng tuition fee. Kailangan nyo lang ipasa ang entrance exam na mapipili mong university. Unang-una, ang mga local universities and colleges. Yan yung mga pamantasan ng lungsod at saka yung mga lugar. Kadalasan ng mga yan ay may mga libreng tuition fee. Gayon din ang mga state universities sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. So, i-explore lang natin yan. Unang-una ay ang PLP o ang pamantasan ng lungsod ng Pasig. Ito ay nasa likod lang ng plaza bago magsimbahan. Ang eksaktong address ay nasa Alcalde Jose, Pasig. Andiyan ang kanilang landline, ang kanilang email, at ang kanilang website. So, pwede nyo kontakin anytime. Ang mga kurso na ino-offer ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Pasig o PLP ay ang mga sumusunod. Una-una, accountancy, business ad, computer science, IT, engineering, public admin, nursing, mathematics, hospitality management, College of Education para sa elementary at para sa secondary education. Susunod naman ay ang PLM o Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Manila. Ang PLM naman ay nasa General Luna sa may Moralia, Intramuros. Nandyan din ang kanilang telephone number, ang kanilang email at ang kanilang website. So ano-ano naman ang mga kurso na ino-offer ng Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Manila? Number 1, College of Architecture, Business Admin, Education, Engineering, Humanities, IT, Law, Medicine, Nursing, Physical Therapy, Public Admin, saka Science and Tourism. Susunod naman ay ang pamantasan ng lungsod ng Marikina. Ang kanilang address ay nasa Green Heights Campus, yan po yung main campus, at yung kanilang contact information at ang kanilang email. Ang mga kurso naman na ino-offer ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Marikina ay ang mga sumusunod. Puro mga Bachelor of Science karamihan sa accountancy, business admin, criminology, tourism management, hotel and restaurant management, information technology, nursing, elementary education, secondary education, saka early childhood education. Sa PLM naman, punta naman tayo sa lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Ito naman ay nasa University Road sa Muntinlupa. Andiyan din ang kanilang address, ang kanilang website at ang kanilang telephone number. So ano naman ang mga kurso na ino-offer ng pamantasan ng lungsod ng Muntinlupa? Meron silang Master of Graduate Studies, number 2, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Business Admin, Accountancy, Criminal Justice, Information Technology, Medicine, Teachers Education, Institute of Public Policy and Governance, saka Social Work. Punta naman tayo sa UP Manila. Yan po yung nasa Padre Paura sa Ermita. Andyan din po yung kanilang email at telephone number. So, ang mga kurso naman na ino-offer sa UP Manila. Yan, napakarami po niyan. Unang-una, Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry, Biology, Computer Science, Development Studies, Philippine Arts, Political Science, Physical Therapy, Speech Pathology, Occupational Therapy, Basic Medical Science, Doctor of Dental Medicine, Bachelor of Arts in Basic Medical Science, Nursing, Pharmacy, Public Health, saka Masteral Degree. Punta naman tayo sa UP Diliman. Ito po ay nasa Rojas Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Andyan din po ang kanilang email address saka telephone number. Ang mga kurso naman na ino-offer ng UP Diliman. Number 1 ay ang Anthropology, Applied Physics, Biology, Broadcast Communication, Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, Economics, Electrical Engineering, Family Life and Child Development, Geodetic, History, Home Economics, Industrial Design, Journalism, Landscape, Painting, Sculpture, Theater Arts, and Visual Communication. Okay, meron din pong UP Baguio kung sakasakali makarating kayo sa Baguio, meron din pong University of the Philippines doon. Okay? So, ang kanila pong address ay nasa Governor Park Road sa Baguio, sa Benguet. Andiyan din ang kanilang email at ang kanilang telephone number. So mga kurso na ino-offer naman sa UP Baguio, andiyan ang Business Admin and Accountancy, Criminal Justice and Public Safety, Dentistry, Engineering, Architecture, IT, International Hospitality and Tourism Management, meron din silang Law at Natural Sciences. Ang TUP naman o Technical University of the Philippines, yan po yung nasa Ermita, Manila. Sa may Marcelino po yan. Andyan din po ang kanilang email at ang kanilang website. So mga kurso naman na ino-offer sa Technological University of the Philippines. Meron sila Mechanical Engineering, BS sa Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering Technology, Computer Engineering Technology, Mechanical Engineering Tech, Electronics Engineering Tech, Instrumentation and Control Engineering, Apparel and Fashion. Kasi ano po ito, technical school, ano? Kaya marami po silang mga technology courses. Meron din silang automotive, refrigeration, saka BSIT. Meron din silang Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, Electronics and Communication Engineering Tech, MS Civil Engineering, Civil Technology, BS Electronics Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, BS in Mechatronics. Okay, Mechanical Electronics po yan, combination. Electrical Technology, Architecture, Food Technology, Engineering, saka Home Economics. So, more on technical and vocational courses po ang eskwelahan na ito. Punta naman tayo sa Rizal Technological University o RTU. Ang RTU po ay nasa Mandaluyong at nandyan din po ang kanilang number at ang kanilang website. So ang mga courses naman na ino-offer sa Rizal Technological University, meron silang accounting, business admin, civil engineering, computer engineering, mechanical, electrical, psychology, architecture, electronics engineering, entrepreneurship, meron din sila yan, instrumentation and control, office admin, Bachelor of Technical or Vocational Education, graduate diploma in astronomy, meron din sila yan, political science, BS in astronomy, industrial engineering, College of Engineering, electrical engineering technology, accounting, BS, secondary education, College of Arts and Science, College of Business and Accountancy, College of Computer Studies. Punta naman tayo sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Yan po yung nasa nasa Santa Mesa. Andan din po yung kanilang phone number at yung kanilang email at yung kanilang website. So mga kurso naman na ino-offer ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines ay number 1, Bachelor of Science in Business Admin, BS in Business, BS in Electronics Engineering, BS in IT, BS in Mechanical, BS in Office Administration, BS in Education, major in English, Education pa rin, major in Mathematics, Diploma in Information Communication Technology, tapos sa Mechanical Engineering and Technology, saka Diploma in Office Management Technology. So more on technological courses din to, no? Sunod naman ay ang Philippine Normal University o PNU. Ito ay nasa Manila rin sa may Ermita, may Top Avenue. Nandyan din ang kanilang telephone number at ang kanilang website. Ang mga kurso na ino-offer naman ng Philippine Normal University, number 1 ay ang Art Education, Elementary, Social Science, Filipino Education, Master of Arts in Literature, Teacher Education, Guidance and Counseling, Master of Education sa Mathematics, Bachelor in Early Childhood, Bachelor in English, Mathematics, Physical and Health Education, Secondary Education, Biology, kasama rin ng English, Physics, Science, Accountancy, Allied Health, Preschool Education, Bachelor in Social Science Education, Chemistry, Mathematics at Special Education. Punta naman tayo, medyo malayo-layo ito, no? Sa Bataan Peninsula State University. Nasa Capitol DR City of Balanga sa Bataan. Nandyan din ang kanilang phone number at ang kanilang website. So mga kurso na ino-offer sa Bataan Peninsula State University. Number 1 is in Information Technology o IT, Computer Science, Civil Engineering, nursing, psychology, industrial technology, tourism management, electronics engineering, teachers education, and public administration. Okay, susunod naman, punta naman tayo sa Batangas State University. Yan po yung nasa Rizal Avenue sa Batangas City. Andyan din ang kanilang telephone number at email. So mga courses naman na ino-offer ng Batangas State University. Nandyan ang Computer Science, Bachelor of Elementary, Business Admin, Secondary Education, Industrial Technology, IT, Industrial Engineering, Tourism, meron din sila, Human Resources, Accountancy, Instrumentation, meron din sila niyan ha. Major in Business Economics, Major in Operational Management, Psychology, Accountancy, Civil Engineering, BS in Criminology. Okay, meron din sila niyan ano, para kung gusto mo magpulis. Nursing, Electrical Engineering, Electronics, Hospitality Management, Interior Design, Computer Technology at Electrical Engineering Technology. Kaya mga 4-year courses yung technology bago mag-engineering. So, punta naman tayo sa Bulacan. Bulacan State University. Ito naman ay nasa Malolos, Bulacan. Andyan din ang kanilang telephone number at ang kanilang website. Ang mga courses naman na ino-offer sa Bulacan State University. Number 1, BS in Architecture, Landscape, Fine Arts, Accountancy, Criminology, BSSE, Major in English, Filipino, Major in Mathematics, Bachelor of Arts naman sa Masscom, saka sa Journalism, BS in Business Ad, para sa Management at para sa Entrepreneurship, General Education, meron din silang sa Preschool Education, Biological Science, saka BS in Nursing. BSSE naman, Major sa Music, Arts, and Physical Education, Major in Physical Science, Social Studies, Technology and Livelihood, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Engineering, Industrial Engineering, Hotel and Restaurant Management, Tourism Management, IT, and Psychology. Karugtong pareho nung kanilang mga courses, BS in Physical Education, BS in Industrial Technology, Major in IT, Legal Management, Computer Education, Mechatronics Engineering, Mechanical at Electronics po yan, combination, ano? BS in Manufacturing Engineering and Management, Home Economics, Beauty and Culture, Economics, Home Economics para sa Education, Major in Food Production din sa Entrepreneurship, saka Bachelor of Sports Science. Dako naman tayo sa Benguet State University. Kala ko rin nun, pagka medyo remote na, mga area ng Benguet, wala nang ganitong university. Meron pa rin pala. At yan ay nasa La Trinidad sa may Benguet. Mga kurso naman na ino-offer ng Benguet State University. Nandyan ang Elementary Education, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, kasi medyo agricultural yung area natin, ano? Saka meron silang nursing, physical therapy, human resources, cooperative management, development communication, master in urban management, agricultural economics, MS naman in agronomy, plant pathology, secondary education, BS in entrepreneurship, BS in hospitality management, nutrition and dietetics, master in communication development, MS in entomology, horticulture, saka soil science. So, hanggang dito na lang at sana ay may naitulong muli kami sa inyo at huwag niyo lang kakalimutan mag-like, subscribe at hit niyo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. Mula po sa Promag TV, maraming salamat po muli at God bless.